and it's a big one. India and the European Union have sealed a free trade agreement. The deal will give Indian exporters greater access to markets in 27 European countries. In return, India has drastically cut import duties on several items, including automobiles. Both New Delhi and Brussels are calling it the mother of all deals that will bring the Indian EU into one large trading bloc. But the devil at times can also lie in the details. How important is this deal for India as it attempts to look beyond the United States when it comes to trading blocs? It's our top story tonight.
A trade deal 20 years in the making is finally sealed. India and European Union on Tuesday concluded a free trade agreement with both sides hailed as the mother of all deals.
आज भारत ने अपने इतिहास का अब तक का सबसे बड़ा फ्री ट्रेड एग्रीमेंट संपन्न किया है। यह एक ऐतिहासिक समझौता हमारे किसानों, हमारे छोटे उद्योगों, इसके यूरोपियन मार्केट तक पहुंच आसान बनाएगा, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग में नए अवसर पैदा करेगा और हमारे सर्विसेज सेक्टर के बीच सहयोग को और प्रबल करेगा।
Prime Minister, distinguished friend, we did it. We delivered the mother of all deals. We are creating a market of 2 billion people, and this is the tale of two giants, the world's second and fourth largest economies, two giants who choose partnership in a true win-win fashion.
Thank you, Madam.
While New Delhi has offered to cut duty on 96.6% of the export value of the EU, the European Union has committed to cut duty on 99% of Indian export value under the trade deal. Under the trade deal, India has agreed to cut duty to 0% on pharmaceuticals, iron and steel, chemicals, aircraft and plastics over the next few years. European-made cars will see tariffs plunge. Alcohol products will also be tariffed at a much lower rate. India, on the other hand, will get duty-free market access to products from sectors like textiles, footwear, base metals, marine products and chemicals. Both sides have agreed to keep each other's sensitive sectors out of the trade deal. These include India's agriculture, dairy and steel sector, and the EU's rice, sugar, beef and chicken. The deal comes at a time of disruption in the world order unleashed by US President Donald Trump.
आज ग्लोबल ऑर्डर में बड़ी उथल-पुथल है। ऐसे में भारत और यूरोपियन यूनियन की साझेदारी अंतर्राष्ट्रीय सिस्टम में स्थिरता को मजबूती देगी। इस संदर्भ में आज हमने यूक्रेन, पश्चिमी एशिया, इंडो पैसिफिक सहित कई वैश्विक मुद्दों पर विस्तार से चर्चा की। मल्टीलेटरलिज्म और इंटरनेशनल नॉर्म्स का सम्मान हमारी साझी प्राथमिकता है।
It will create levels of growth that neither side can achieve alone. And by combining these strengths, we reduce strategic dependencies at a time when trade is increasingly weaponized.
As part of India-EU mobility framework, Indian students, workers and professionals are set to get greater access to European countries. The trade deal, however, may take a few months to come into effect as it needs to be ratified by the European Parliament after legal vetting. With Aishwarya Paliwal and Chetan Bhutani, Bureau Report, India Today.